everybody, আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি বরিশাল এয়ারপোর্টে এই মুহূর্তে। আমার সাথে, as you can see, these people, I'm not using this, these people, as you can see, all the way back from United States of America, and then they're crazy. You know why? And there are so many speculations, so many things don't go out and blah blah. But these people, yeah, you're crazy, good crazy. They came in all the way. They flown to Borishal and then they went to a
Wait, I came from Texas.
Texas. Oh, all right. So Texas, and what happened? ওরা যেটা করছে, ওরা এখানে এসে প্রাইমারি স্কুলে ল্যাপটপ দিয়েছে। এইসব বাচ্চারা কখনো ল্যাপটপ দেখে নাই, never. So I'd like to just, Kazi, are you crazy?
I'm crazy, you know.
I mean, why you're giving back to primary school kids? I mean,
well, you know, that's where my root, you know, giving back to where we came from, and that's for Kazi IT Unlimited.
Okay.
We just gave 20 plus laptops to the
primary
babies.
school kids.
Yeah. So,
and you saw their eyes.
oh, they lit up. They lit up. They lit up.
So I mean, we all know about Kazi IT, and they're. I mean, I'm excited today. So as you see, root coming back to root and giving it to back, right? Loved it, man.
I love it. I love it.
Have you felt threatened traveling so deep into Bangladesh rural area?
No, I felt so comfortable.
We are so friendly.
Everyone's so nice, and it's been such a wonderful experience to be here and meet all these wonderful people.
Are you saying true? Actually, we are wonderful.
I'm saying true.
Bangladesh is wonderful.
Yeah, been living here for a year. Hope it's many more.
So investors can come in, no problemos.
No problemas.
Absolutely.
Hello.
You always sing. I mean, did you find music today in this whole
Oh
charity
yeah.
thing?
Yeah.
That's
All
the
I
best
can.
music?
Oh yeah. All I can say is only one word that Davis shared with me.
Right.
That is, I'm gonna make a tune out of it, and that tune should be dedicated to four of them, and especially on
them.
Kazi.
Kazi!
Yeah, baby.
Kazi is crazy.
Yeah, the sun is shining on him.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
Brilliant thing. I have two more guests with me. Sherry?
Well, I came here 2 weeks ago on a whim off of a Tony Robbins high with Mr. Mike Kazi here, and he said, hey, I'd like to take you to Bangladesh. And I said, okay. And he said, are you serious? I said, yes. And I came here 2 days later, and we are doing wonderful, awesome things. I am crazy, I guess, but I am perfectly safe. My family was worried.
Absolutely.
I
Perfectly
have
safe.
never been taken care of any better in my entire life. These people have been wonderful to me.
Wow.
So see,
Oh my
Bangladesh is 100%, 200% safe. She has been in this village like 3 nights.
Yes, of
So
course.
she was there, so just in a village in Borishal, and everything is
And
safe.
had I listened to everyone else tell me how dangerous it was and I should stay home where it's safe, I would not have had this wonderful experience with these beautiful children, these beautiful people, singing, loving what we're doing for them. I love giving them something they've never had, and they never would have this opportunity if Mr. Kazi hadn't offered this to us.
Kazi. So it was safe, right?
It was
And
very
you,
safe.
You loved the experience, kids.
I did. Beautiful people, loving. I feel love.
Okay, so now I have the most good-looking guy who Borishal went crazy. No, yes. See, John, how was the experience? How was the experience traveling deep into Bangladesh and just, we're with Kazi IT, I know,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
coming down here, how it felt?
It's been an amazing experience. I have to say it was an honor to be able to give back to the community, and I've been coming here for 3.5 years, and I've always felt very safe, and I love it here.
So, what happened?
Is it still going?
Hey, I guess we had a power issue, so I'm gonna go back quick. So you came to with this 21,
Bangladesh, yeah, I met
21.
Mike, and it's been an absolute pleasure and inspiration to know Mike Kazi, and to work with him, having him as a business partner. It's literally been amazing. I've gotten to do so many amazing things, and today was one of the most important parts of our lives.
Yeah,
so,
you came with the village kids and teaching
Yeah.
them laptops, showing them.
Yeah, being able to give them back not only to our employees and having an amazing time with our employees, but then
Absolutely.
having an amazing time in the village and being
Absolutely.
able to give back.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell, these people, as you can see, came back all the way from another continent, and for the love of this country.
Yes.
So I would like to actually salute them because, see, these are the bright faces. We need more of them in our country.
So
I'm serious.
we need more people to join Kazi IT, right?
Yeah.
So we need more people to join Kazi IT so we can do more things like this. We don't want to just do Borishal. We want to do other district like Chittagong. We want to do it in Rajshahi, Khulna,
Rajshahi, everywhere.
Kuminda.
Yes.
We want to do all over the country.
And one thing, they gave laptops to kids, very small primary
To
kids,
babies.
because they think that's where
That's
it
our
should
future.
start. Digital Bangladesh should start with the kids also. So, ladies and gentlemen, I had a great time. I came down here today and went to the school, and we spent time with the kids and laptops and everything. So this is actually Digital Bangladesh, what to me. And these are our guests.
Yeah.
We all should be very, very much
thank you, guys.
respectful.
Thank
all
you.
right?
Thank you.
So, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
from
everyone. Thank you,
Bangladesh.
everyone.
Let's fly back to Dhaka.
Follow us on Kazi IT.
we gotta do a plug.
Okay.
Plug, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So it was amazing. See? ওরা এখানে এসে বাচ্চাদের জন্য ল্যাপটপ নিয়ে বরিশালের মতো একটা গ্রামে চলে আসছে সো দিস ইজ হোয়াট আই এম সেইং দ্যাট বাংলাদেশ ইজ অ্যাবসলিউটলি সেফ অ্যান্ড উই অল যাদের ক্যাপাসিটি আছে উই শুড ডু থিংস উই শুড কন্ট্রিবিউট টু আস টু আওয়ার সোসাইটি বিকজ অনলি মেকিং মানি ইজ নট শুড নট বি আওয়ার অবজেক্টিভ our objective should be empowering the society, empowering the community. And আমি আজকে যখন দেখলাম যে বাচ্চারা জীবনে ল্যাপটপ দেখে নাই ওদের কাছে ল্যাপটপ খুলে ওপেন করে দেখানো যেটা দেখছে মুভি দেখা যায় এই করা যায় সে ওরা রীতিমতো অবাক So this is what we should be doing, ladies and gentlemen. And আমি এখানে ভিডিও সিগন্যালটা পাচ্ছিলাম না ঠিক মতো that's why I had to do the video from the airport. I mean, so it has been a great journey. And if anyone else knows that এরকম কেউ করছে, let me know. I would like to join in and broadcast about that. So take care. Bye-bye.